Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2019 Chevy Cruze Hatchback LS. This front wheel drive vehicle comes with a 1.4 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, solar absorbing glass, and then when it comes to your wheels, we do have 15-inch steel wheels with full bolt-on wheel covers. So when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have jet black cloth seating with a tan lining throughout the entire car. When it comes to the front of this vehicle, we do have a brand new Chevy MyLink radio, your standard controls for your AC, your push to talk, and standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.